This time, Camp Alarm System, Part 2. Snakes 1-minute survival tip. Keep in mind that an early warning system will not stop anyone, but you will become aware of visitors early on. A key factor is to install your warning system as far as possible from your campsite. Done so, you will have enough time to take your countermeasures. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the warning system and how it works. Triggered by a tripwire, a weight attached to a string descends, causing a spindle to start rotating. Some clappers, also fixed to the spindle, now alternately strike a sound body and thus generate a loud knocking noise. Well, that's it, until next time.